Hello everyone, welcome back to LearnX channel. In this session, we are going to learn about formatting in Excel. Let's get started. Formatting in Excel means changing the appearance of data. It helps make the worksheet look neat, clear, and easy to understand. Formatting does not change the data, it only changes how the data looks. Formatting is important because it gives a professional look to your worksheet. It improves readability and helps users quickly identify important information. Font formatting is used to change the style, size, and color of the text in Excel. It is commonly used for headings, titles, and important values. Excel provides different font styles such as bold, italic, and underline. Bold is mainly used for headings, italic is used for emphasis, and underline is used to highlight key values. Font size is used to make text bigger or smaller. Headings usually have a larger font size, while regular data is shown in a smaller or medium size. Font color is used to highlight important data. For example, profit values are often shown in green and loss values are shown in red. Cell alignment controls how text or numbers are positioned inside a cell. Excel provides both horizontal and vertical alignment options. Horizontal alignment includes left, center, and right alignment. Text is usually left aligned, headings are center aligned, and numbers are right aligned. Vertical alignment controls the position of data from top to bottom within a cell. You can align text at the top, middle, or bottom of the cell. Wrap text allows long text to be displayed on multiple lines within the same cell. Merge cells is used to combine two or more cells into a single cell, mainly for titles. Borders and shading are used to separate data and make tables more clear and organized. They help improve the visual structure of the worksheets. Borders add lines around cells. They are commonly used in tables to clearly separate rows and columns. Shading, also called fill color, adds background color to cells. It is mostly used for headings, totals, and important rows. Number formatting controls how numbers are displayed in Excel. It does not change the value, only the format. Date format allows you to display dates in different styles, such as numeric format or full month and year format. Currency format is used to display monetary values with currency symbols like rupees or dollars. Percentage format converts decimal values into percentages, making data easier to understand. Conditional formatting automatically applies formatting to cells based on certain conditions or rules. Conditional formatting helps highlight important data automatically and makes trends and patterns easy to identify. Excel provides different types of conditional formatting such as highlight cell rules, data bars, color scales, and icon sets. In this example, marks greater than 80 are highlighted in green and marks less than 35 are highlighted in red. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this session useful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.